Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use QuickBooks for beginners using the latest technical interface. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to organize their studio-level bookkeeping and market analysis into a single, high-end financial management system. First, set up your high-end company profile. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize your professional environment. You need to create a foundation where your studio data can technically live without amateur quality errors. Log in and click the gear icon in the top right corner. Select Account and Settings. Enter in your professional company name, tax ID, and address to technically distinguish your latest business operations. In the latest standards, a complete profile is a professional standard for ensuring your market analysis and tax reporting are accurate, providing a high-end technical workflow from day one. Next, connect your professional bank feeds. To manage your bookkeeping with the latest efficiency, you must technically link your financial institutions to the QuickBooks engine. Navigate to the Transactions or Banking tab and click Connect Account. Securely link your high-end professional checking and credit card accounts to technically import your latest transactions. Automatic bank feeds are a mechanical necessity for high-end project management. It allows you to structure your latest data in a way that fits your professional studio requirements without manual entry. Next, define your high-end chart of accounts. In the latest accounting landscape, the power of QuickBooks lies in its technical categorization. You need to select the categories that will drive your professional market analysis. Go to the Accounting menu and select Chart of Accounts. Add or edit accounts like studio income, equipment expenses, and marketing costs for high-end technical tracking. A clean chart of accounts is a professional standard. It technically categorizes your latest data, turning a simple list into a high-end studio tool that tracks every professional movement in real time. And that's pretty much it. To use QuickBooks effectively in the latest era, set up your high-end company profile and technically connect your bank feeds, define your chart of accounts for market analysis, and master the invoicing workflow to handle your latest bookkeeping. Finally, verify your progress with financial reports to ensure your studio is technically perfect. This professional workflow ensures your management is optimized and high-end. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.